Let's really unpack the Fujifilm GFX 100 RF leak, because this isn't just another camera announcement. This is a potential seismic shift in the medium format landscape, and we need to understand the nuances to truly appreciate what Fujifilm might be bringing to the table. Today, we're not just reacting to the surface-level information, we're dissecting the implications of these Fujifilm GFX 100 RF leaks. We're going beyond the wow factor and delving into the practicalities, the potential challenges, and the strategic decisions that Fujifilm appears to be making. Let's start with that sensor, 43.9 by 32.9 millimeters. That's not just bigger than full frame, it's a significant leap. We're talking about a sensor that captures a vastly greater amount of light, translating to unparalleled dynamic range, tonal depth, and detail resolution. This isn't just about megapixels, it's about the sheer volume of information being captured. For professionals working in fields like landscape, portrait, or high-end commercial photography, this sensor offers a level of image quality that's simply unattainable with smaller formats. And importantly, it allows for significantly more aggressive cropping and post-processing without losing detail. Now, let's talk about the design. The fact that Fujifilm has managed to cram this massive sensor into a body the size of a Leica Q3 is a testament to their engineering prowess. This isn't just about making a smaller medium format camera, it's about making medium format truly portable. For photographers who travel or work on location, the reduced size and weight of the GFX 100 RF could be a game changer. The classic Fujifilm ergonomics, with the tactile dials for shutter speed, ISO, and exposure compensation, are a welcome addition. This reinforces Fujifilm's commitment to providing a hands-on, intuitive shooting experience. The dedicated aspect ratio dial is a brilliant touch. It allows photographers to quickly switch between aspect ratios without diving into menus, streamlining the workflow, and enabling more spontaneous shooting. The crop lever, which functions as a built-in digital zoom, is another interesting feature. While digital zoom might seem counterintuitive on a high-resolution medium format camera, it could be incredibly useful for quickly framing shots or capturing specific details. Given the massive resolution, even a significant crop will still yield extremely high-quality images. The timing of the announcement, March 20th, 2025, during the Fujifilm X Summit Prague 2025, suggests that Fujifilm is positioning the GFX 100 RF as a major product launch. This isn't just a minor update, it's a strategic move to solidify Fujifilm's position in the medium format market. The extended timeline also suggests they are ensuring the product and its ecosystem are fully mature. The rumored $5,000 price point is aggressive for a medium format camera. It significantly undercuts the price of other medium format offerings, making it more accessible to a wider range of photographers. However, it's crucial to understand that this price point likely reflects the fixed lens design. By bundling the lens with the body, Fujifilm can control costs and offer a more competitive price. The 35mm f4 lens is the elephant in the room. While it offers a versatile focal length for street, landscape, and portrait photography, the f4 aperture is a significant limitation. It will struggle in low light conditions and provide less depth of field control compared to faster lenses. The fixed lens design is another potential drawback. For photographers who value flexibility and the ability to use different lenses, this could be a deal breaker. Fujifilm is clearly targeting a specific user base with this camera, those who prioritize portability and image quality over versatility. The Fujifilm GFX 100 RF represents a bold shift in medium format photography. By focusing on portability and accessibility, Fujifilm challenges the idea that medium format must be bulky. Features like the dedicated aspect ratio dial, crop lever, and classic ergonomics show thoughtful design. But the fixed 35mm f4 lens and slower aperture may limit versatility. Is this a groundbreaking step toward making medium format more accessible, or a niche product for a specific audience? We'll find out on March 20th, 2025. What do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you're into sleek designs, powerful features, and that unmistakable Fujifilm charm, you're going to want to hear this. The buzz in the photography world right now? It's all about the Fujifilm X-E5. Yes, the leaks are rolling in, and they're giving us some serious reasons to get excited. So whether you're a Fujifilm veteran or someone curious about their cameras, today we're diving into everything we know or think we know about the upcoming Fujifilm X-E5. Spoiler alert, it looks like this little powerhouse could shake up the mirrorless camera game. Let's get into it. All right, first things first. What's the X-E5 bringing to the table? While Fujifilm hasn't officially spilled the beans yet, the leaks are juicy. Let's talk about the most exciting bit, the rumored X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor. If this sounds familiar, it's because this is the same sensor we've seen in Fujifilm's flagship models like the X-T5 and X-H2. Translation? Expect stunning dynamic range, improved low-light performance, and that signature sharpness Fujifilm is known for. And paired with the X Processor 5, another likely upgrade, we're talking faster image processing, better autofocus, and maybe even some new film simulations. Imagine those iconic Fujifilm colors getting even more creative tools to play with. Now let's talk design, because the XE series has always been a beauty. From the leaks, it seems like the X-E5 is sticking to its roots with that compact rangefinder-style body. It's lightweight, stylish, and oozes retro vibes. But here's where it gets interesting. Rumors are pointing to a fully articulating LCD screen. If true, this is a game changer. Whether you're vlogging, shooting creative angles, or framing up a selfie with your squad, this screen adds a whole new layer of convenience. And it doesn't stop there. Better weather sealing is also rumored, a feature outdoor photographers have been begging for. Dust, rain, or the occasional coffee spill? The X-E5 might just handle it all. Speaking of shooting in tough conditions, let's talk about its performance. If the leaks are accurate, the X-E5 could support 6K video recording. That's a big leap from the X-E4's 4K capabilities. Why does this matter? Well, 6K footage gives you more flexibility. You can crop, stabilize, or downscale to get sharper 4K output. Perfect for content creators who like to push their creative limits. And for the videographers out there, improved rolling shutter performance and heat management are also rumored. Translation: fewer interruptions and smoother results. Now, let's geek out a little. Photographers, this one's for you. Rumors suggest the X-E5 could offer burst shooting up to 20 frames per second with the electronic shutter. That's a big deal for capturing action, whether it's sports, wildlife, or those once-in-a-lifetime candid moments. And autofocus? Fujifilm has been stepping up their game, and the X-E5 might bring AI-driven subject detection. Whether you're tracking people, animals, or vehicles, it sounds like this camera will be faster and smarter than ever before. Oh, and here's a feature that might be a sleeper hit: internal focus stacking. For macro photographers, or anyone who loves insane detail, this could make creating sharp, layered images a breeze. Okay, let's take a step back. Who's this camera really for? The XE series has always been about portability and performance. It's perfect for street photographers, travelers, and anyone who wants serious power in a compact package. But with the rumored upgrades, like the articulating screen and better video features, the X-E5 might also attract vloggers and hybrid shooters. In short, if you want a camera that looks amazing, feels great in your hands, and can handle both stills and video, this might be it. So, there you have it, everything we know about the Fujifilm X-E5 so far. From the X-Trans CMOS 5 sensor to potential design upgrades, it's shaping up to be a camera that blends Fujifilm's classic charm with some serious modern tech. But, as always, this is all speculation for now. We'll have to wait for the official announcement to see what's real and what's just wishful thinking. What do you think? Are you excited about the X-E5? What features are you hoping for? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you don't miss any updates.